How the pizza cat creepypasta? How creepypastas of the sound effects of pizza cat and the guitar. So she was banging and Bruce and he was had this creepypasta right now to his mom. So the pizza cat was stuck a knife and then she threw the knife at his chicken head right now. And he had a spider web with Pete's face. And he put a grenade on his dad. And it wasn't his mouth and then he was just for his whole head. So I mean how did pizza cat how to do? Pizza cat says his voice is still normal. I just say like that cute voice there. Pizza cat was a vampire bull, bottom by sensitive animation. So by the animation, be quiet in the killing games. Pizza cat was probably like 10 minutes ago. But I just saw the guy was talking about creepypasta. A pizza cat. It was like pizza cat creepypasta and then now I'm making the creepypasta. I didn't make the creepypasta about it because creepypastas are not good. They got sister daddies and sister daddies, sister daddies. Pizza cat. Pizza cat. So Pizza cat of my way choose is a cool book about scary same thing was creepypasta and the pizza cat was even eyes was far down and his eyes was burning the whole time I peed. So I just watched the last episode that dude. He was like still right there, like Pizza Cat was singing Popeye and it's like the second song, Popeye whenever you had to sing the song to once and then I just hate the song. How the pizza cry, the Pete is in the song. Pizza cat, Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. Pizza cat, walking in my school shoes and making sure rolling. Pizza cat, I own my white shoes. And that was like 10 minutes ago to watch that. Like the video is like 10 minutes ago. It's like how long does this Popeye song? It was 10 minutes long. So over this clicking it, Pizza Cat was singing on the black screen. You can admire that black guy and the red eye and the bleeding blood in his eyes. And it just freaking scared me out of the creepypasta piece. How the Pizza Cat gets mad. How they gotta kill somebody. So I just don't freaking know how many Pizza Cat is like 1000 episodes. How many episodes? It's like episode. So then episodes, blueberry cupcakes of Pizza Cat. Blueberry cupcakes. So can we tell Pizza Cat that was all the big freaking big people with all the directions, like Pizza Cat was speaking how to make Pizza Cat. So he's go. So Pizza Cat was knowing, banging. Oh man, that sucks. Oh my god. Pizza Cat was how the game. How Pizza Cat? How did Pizza Cat do this? Pizza Cat was even a kid, so a 25 subscribers. But Pete the Cat videos was deleted from 1986, 2020. And I'm so freaking sad about Pete the Cat videos are deleted. But somebody just recorded so I could watch the shows better. But I was in Epic's grandma's house watching Pete the Cat. It was on Prime Video. Because Pete the Cat was on Prime Video videos. It was a Prime Video, but it was not even a Pete the Cat banging on the table with blood. It sounds like something super evil about how Pete the Cat reason. So let me just take care about this dumb how Pete the Cat cupcake. Yeah, so what did Pete the Cat do? He just stepped Carrie with his eye, and that thing freaking hurts his hell. And it's like freaking creepypasta of that spooky show, but it was even reason the cupcakes. How did Pete the Cat cupcakes? It was even a creepypasta, and it wasn't good, and I was making creepypastas everything of Pete. So Pete the Cat saw the food crumbs and he just eat them and he just died. So how did Pete the Cat have the ghost? He just shoot his mom and dad with a gun. Right up front with Carrie's tummy and the back with his mom and dad. And then the gun, it hit the wall, it hit this way, and then it hit with Pete the Cat's eye, and it burned his whole face. And then, it was the end of the show. This is dum-da-dum, dum-da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. In my mouth, ma, tuna dolls and beating ma. Oh, boy. That freaking song can't stick in my head right now. I hate that song at the end. Because like, in a man mo, tuna dolls and speed of a bee. So, I was searching for Pete the Cat channel, but I was waiting for it all day, and then it's still deleted. So it has that guy to talk with the microphone, and Pete the Cat was available for kids. So it was like Pete the Cat. It's called Pete the Cat Lost Episode. Pete the Cat gets grounded. Pete the Cat gets bloody and injured, and that's it. So I'll just watch Pete the Cat gets injured, and it was like only one episode. It was one episode called Zero Episode, or was a creepypasta. Creepypasta. So this creepypasta was creepy and it's so. So Pete the Cat walking in my school shoes. It was super scary and super weird. Then sometimes all creepypastas of Pete the Cat is not real. How did Pete the Cat survive that? It was like Pete the Cat talking like different voices. This one sounds like somebody is. I can't see. So, all I saw Pete the Cat, he just saw Pete the Cat freaking so scary at that book. You see his whole freaking face? I don't know what the freak is super disturbing. It was like Pete the Cat City school bus. So then the effect is freaking wrong. What just happened from that freaking stupid song? I was like Pete the Cat was banging on the freaking table like this. So this Peter Cat is so freaking weird of this. So, all he was banging it, he was making this noise. So I watched this one, then I just look at the sound of the bang.
This pizza cat's in there. What? Go, 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 go. You're not
Wait, there is no sound of this one banging. Like this. What the freak? Then Peter Cat is freaking banging the table. Yeah, freaking so hard doing this piece of sound. It doesn't keep on annoying me. Like that, and then it broke into pieces Peter Cat's hand after he banged it one more time. So then Peter Cat is dead now. Of the end of the video is so damn scary. So then Peter Cat is so scary one now. Oh, any of these books are not good. Oh, Peter Cat, and Peter Cat was banging a freaking table, yet annoyed like this. Peter Cat was banging the table, like, what the freak is that? And Peter Cat always banging like 4 times already. It was like annoying my freaking face right now in my head. And my freaking head exploded that last episode. How can that last episode I can make? So, Peter Cat's super scary. Then Peter Cat is super kids do decoration, animation collection. So, if you like to win the sensory bag, you can subscribe to the channel. You can dog out, go to your school and grab a big bag, put some hair gel, and put some eyeballs, and put some golden sparkles, and put some more eyeballs, and get some more hair gel, and you're freaking done. Now you can put it in and don't pop it. So if you like to go to school, just ask for my pencils. So I got ask 50 pencils. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I do this one. Then Peter Cat is annoying about this sit, making the sound of 54. And again, 2 times. And 3 times. And it was super annoying, and now the last sound was super crazy. And the big explosion has come out. So how did that creepypasta made of Peter Cat? That was super great. So this creepypasta, so annoying. So now is the end. You can subscribe to our channel, like the doorbell, and we'll see you in the next